Hey guys, this is Coach Paul, and today we will be doing our first program on Java, which will be to add two numbers and subtract two numbers, multiply two numbers, and divide two numbers, and to take out remainder of two numbers. So let's begin. So first we have to open BlueJ, as I have shown in my previous video how to download BlueJ and Java. So you can download it if you have not downloaded still. It's taking some time to open. So, so to create a new project, uh, so this will this will be your home screen. It will appear in your different because I have created a new project already. You will not be able to click on new class and this survive. So for this, you have to only click on project, new project. Take the name of the project as I am taking coach for. Actually, it should be in one line, so underscore in one word, but we can put underscore between them so that they can be separated. So then we will click OK and appear a new window, and after that you have to click on new class. Then write any class like we are doing sum. So first I am writing sum, and and then click OK. Then here it will be a rectangular box shape will be appearing. Right click on it and open editor. And now you only just have to press Ctrl plus A, which will select all your content, and click backspace so that it can be removed. So first line will be our of statement. The the statement which is not printed in our program. So like but we want as a flag on that, like on that line. So this is a program to create. Uh, uh, this is a program to create, uh, or we can write to print the sum of two numbers. Then enter it. Then we have to write our class name, which we are enter class as sum, which we had entered here. Can see, uh, and then press enter, then curly bracket, and then enter, and it will create a closing curly bracket for you. Then you have to write void enter. These two brackets. Then you have to write in it two variables. Like we can take two variables as int a and int b. Okay. Int a is for first number. We are taking a sum of two numbers. So this is the first number we have taken, but it is a variable. I will be telling you the use why I am writing that variable, not the original number. Okay, in place of that, and we can write in b as second number, like we do in algebraic expressions. So we have to assign only variables, then press enter, and then again curly bracket, then enter. Then it will again create a new uh, closing curly bracket. Then you have to write int c is equals to a plus b. Because as we are adding, because we have to take out a sum of two numbers, so sum is our c, okay, and variables are first number is a and second number is b, and then you have to put a semicolon after that, and this how you will end the statement, and then we will write system dot out dot println. Uh, this line is actually based on printing, means what is the output, means what is the output the gained by this c variable, means a plus b is equal to c, so output is a c. So, uh, so our output is sum of two numbers. So we will write sum and two two um, double quotes, means double quotes. We will write yeah, plus c. So that we are writing plus c because it will combine sum plus c. You will see. I will show you in the output screen. It will be adjacent to each other, and again you have to put semicolon and your program ends here. So you can, it is this first line which we have written, it is optional. If you want to write, and it's okay. If you don't want to write, there will be no errors showing. So and then after that, class sum. If you want to take by mistake you have typed last sun, like you have typed, and you have to write sum, then you can recorrect it by like I have written correct, but if you want writing add, okay, so it will, when I will be compiling my program, you can see here now it is changed to add, means our class is changed to add. If I again change it some in compile, and again it is in original form, which I had written earlier. And this you have to put a curly bracket, and then void enter int ab int b. You have to assign variables basically in this, and uh, after this you don't have to put semicolon, okay, like we have done in this statement and this printing statement. Don't have to put semicolon in this, and then this curly bracket, and then this statement you have to write, means a form. This line is to means formula. We have to write formula for that, like I have taken nc is equals to a plus b. Like if you have to subtract or subtract, so means we have to take out the difference of two numbers, so then we can do minus sign. And if you have to do multiplication, you don't have to do don't have to type this, it will be considered as wrong, okay. So you have to write asterisk in that place, and for divide you have to write this as we do. And for to take out remainder of two numbers, like we have divided two numbers like 2 and 5, means 5 divided by 2. So there will be a remainder coming because it's not a uh, because 5 is not a do not comes in the table and not divisible to the to 2, we can say not divisible to the 2. So there will be one remainder coming. So for that to take that remainder out, we can write modulo means this a percentage sign we on our this keyboard. Let's say this sign modulo. This sign is called modular sign to take out remainder. So just now we are adding two numbers. I will show you guys uh, subtract difference, multiplication, division, and modular sign also. But first we will be doing addition and sum. And then we will compile. Then it should not. Here it is showing no syntax error. That means that we have completed our program and it is correct. And then we have to simply close the window. Okay, to run a program. Then right click on that sum one. Then here you will be seeing a new option coming, new sum. Before it was coming open editor, but now it is coming first one, new sum. So we have to click on that and OK. And here you will be seeing a red color rectangle. You have to click on that and right click on that, and then you have to select void enter int ab int b. Then it will show a box type this. Then you have to type int a means variable a, like we can take a number like 6 plus 4. Its sum is 10, so it should show 10, uh, 10 as our answer. So okay, and it is showing some 10. Now as I had told that here we have done in the last statement why I have written this, and it is showing that like sum and our output sum C. So it is combining means uh, combining our output and a statement. Okay, so you can so this statement last statement is used for this. And sum 10 is our answer means it is correct. Our program is wholly correct. No complete time error, no logical error, no errors happen in the program. So we can close the window. Now open editor. Now we will take out difference. So I will write differ. Okay, as my class. So void enter int ab int b. It also requires it also requires two numbers means we have to take two variables again. So I am writing this only. So int c is equals to a plus b, it was written, but now it will become a minus b because we are doing different. We have to take out difference of the numbers. So now system dot out dot println. So now we are not taking out difference means sum. So we will write difference. We are taking out this difference and plus c as this we are this. we had nothing. We had not done any change in variables. We have not done any change in variables. Like C was C only, A was A only, and B was B only. So we have not done any change in variables. Then again we will compile, and it is showing no syntax errors. We can again close it and new deco one. Okay, right click on it, void enter. You have to do the same method for taking out the output. Then 6 and 6 4. So we know the difference of 6 and 4, which is 2. So our answer is coming 2. Now you will be wondering that why the sum 10 is not removed, as we have not cleared this output screen. So we can clear it, and again if we want, and this time it will show single difference only. So again we can clear it, uh, and close the terminal window. Then open editor, and now I will be telling you product one. I have not removed it. Open the product of two numbers. And so we are right. Okay. And then it also requires two numbers, so we will be assigning two variables, and int c is equals to a into asterisk b. As in computer language, asterisk is used as multiplication sign. Okay, in computer language. So we can compile it. Again, it is not. We have not changed one thing. Uh, we have to write product, and our program is ready. Uh, then we can again close it, and then open Chrome, void enter, and then we can again write 6 and 4. So 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. We can take it. So product is coming as 24 only. So this program is also correct. And then again we will do open editor and divide uh, quotient, right? Quotient of two numbers. A program to print the quotient of two numbers. Um, QUO, void enter. It also requires two numbers again, and this divide. And this will take and quotient is equal. So this will take out the quotient of the two numbers a and b. Then we will compile it and again close it. Uh, New to enter. So now we will not write 6 and 4, because then it will not come as numbers. Means correct, means point. It will come in decimals. So we'll take 10 and 4, and the question will be 5, and you can close it. And for decimals, or for decimals, if you want the answer in decimals, or what means you want in the means the output will be in decimals if you want. So 6 and 4 we will divide. Then it will not show the point means decimal. Like only it will show 1. Because one thing, because int, byte, short, long, int, these four variables means these code is used for integer numbers. The answer will come in integer number only. Okay. So if you want that the answer, if you are thinking that your answer will come in means decimals, so you can simply remove this int and make it double, or we can make it float. The difference between double and float is of this only, that float stores only 30 uh, float stores I think 32 bit, and double stores 64 bits, yes. It stores 64 bit, and float stores 32 bits. Means it has a space of that, so you can choose any. So you can just we can do just now float, we can use float. Okay, we will be no error while new to now 6 4. Okay, now the quotient is what? The quotient is 1.0. So okay, as it is 32 bit, so it will show this only in your PC also. So, but if you change it into double, then its capacity increases. Sorry, into and how do I say? Actually, I think it has not. There is no capacity of the what. I think we should have to do double A also, double A and double B. So that there should be no. Oh, sorry. Okay. I will not use it. Yes, now it is coming as we have to make the full program double. Okay, so as it can't as double C can't store int a an integer as it shows an syntax error. So answer will be 1.5, and if you put only in C double, then it will be showing 1.0 only, or that any other values is. And in double A you can write like 76.77 also, 23.66 also, and it will show an output premium. So in this double A and B, double A and B, it will, you can type decimal number also, but if you uh, write int A and int B and then compile it, then we go combine enter, and then you write uh, 6.777 and 23.63. Yes. It will show an error in compatible types as it can't take decimal numbers. As soon as we will remove the decimal, it will run, and here are here are here's the answer. So this is how you can take out the quotient, the numbers. So I recommend you all you guys to use double only as as your variable not stored, as it has less space, so it will not show you the correct output also. So compile, and now we will be taking out the remainder of the two numbers. The remain, and you can take it double A and double B only because you have to take out two numbers. Double C is equals to, and it will change into modulo as you have to take out remainder. So this and then remainder. Then you can compile, and that and then you remain okay, got it, and then uh, like we can take 6 and 4 only this one. Then its remainder is showing 2.0. So means its remainder is 2. Uh, so if you want to decimal, and then if you want a decimal remainder, you have to put it in there. You have to put the number also in decimal only. And yeah, our remainder is showing in decimals. So please, so you can do this. And for integer, we can instead of integer number, we can use byte. I'm writing this spell. One minute. I'm showing writing here only. Integer. Actually, they are uh, there is a primitive data type. Primitive data type, and it is divided into two. Okay. Uh, Divided into two. Two, two. Data. Uh, First one is second. First one is numeric data type. Okay, data type. Numeric primitive data type. Primitive primitive data type. Primitive. Please don't have primitive spelling as primitive data type, and then there is non-numeric, numeric, primitive, primitive data type, Non-numeric data, primitive data type. It is removing again and again. Yes. Actually, guys, it is again and again and over and no what is happening again. So, primitive data type. Uh, these are non-numeric. There are two data types. So, versus numeric and non-numeric. In numeric, there are four. Numeric. In numeric, there are four, which are one is byte, which has a minimum capacity, and then is short, and then is int, and then is um, actually they had not come in red color as I had written in capital letters. So then fourth will be long. These these four are numeric ones. Now the non-numeric ones are numeric. Wait, numeric. One minute. You can take a screenshot of this numeric one and this numeric one, and you can pause the video and take. And then in non-numeric there are two only, which is float, and second one is double. These two only. Uh, I've explained you what is non-numeric, numeric data type, and you can take a screenshot now of you can pause the video and back the video and take a screenshot. Right? Yes. So, yes. So for today, you do this much only. And one more thing, guys, is if you wanna do means want to learn Java in your means phone also you don't have PC or anything sort of it, you can simply go here in the next tab and type I will be giving the link in the description. You can simply click it. I have to actually write because I am not copy this one. Java Bluejay Bluejay online compiler. Follow the steps also. Yeah. You can use this site for Rollup, which is used. You can use it in your phone also, I think. And guys, it is not promoted by any sort of. Rollup was not promoted my channel. Okay. But it is an educational purpose. You want to learn means, but you don't consist of a laptop and don't have a. So you can just click on launch online and it will tell you to log in or sign up. I have created my ID. That's it automatically. This one. So yes. Then you can do launch Bluejay with limited capabilities. I'm showing you online. the screen which occurs in our when we are opening the Java app. Here it also. Then you can simply do new thanks and to don't agree. It is better to don't agree. The, then click OK. Then you again have to click launch online. Then a new tab it is done. Then you can do it full screen. Yeah. Then the same screen will be appearing as we have run our program like this. Like this. In the first, it is only have appeared, and then it will appear some like this only, like this only, sort of. Okay, so you can do it. Uh, just now, I will be ending the video now because we have tell you addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. How to use these signs in Java. So I hope you like the video. It will be an educational video for you all. Very educational. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. This. Thank you guys for watching my video.